First, I would like to thank President Putin and the Russian government and the people of Russia for being so nice at hindi kayo pinaghirapan. Then in the bilaterals, kami, pati sila, nakalinya doon sa harap namin, itong issue ngayon ng expired passport. Yung expired passport ninyo, ipa-renew lang dito. Wala mang problema. I'm ordering the consular office or the embassy. Hindi na kayo umuwi ng Pilipinas. Dito na renew ninyo ang passport ninyo. Wala nang problema. Second is, yung ngayon ng overstay, tapos yung nagtatago-tago, alam ng Russia is a very good government. Efficient yan eh. Alam nila. Pero sabi nila na hindi naman kami maghuhuli. We know the problem, your plight. Alam namin gaano kahirap sa Pilipinas. And you number about 10,000 already. Ganito lang hingiin ko. Spend 1 or 2 days, renew your passport, and then you reapply here. They would be willing to make an arrangement. Secretary Bello is working on an agreement na kayong nandito, overstaying, or have had problems, they will be covered with an understanding para bigyan kayo ng maluwang na ano. Ang aking prayer lang is just abide by the laws of Russia. Sumunod lang kayo sa batas at wala tayong problema. So kayo lahat dito, 10,000, wala tayong record ng kalukuhan o ano. Sabi, if you are a criminal, mas grabe dito. Talagang, the criminal laws of Russia is very strict. Mas stricto pa sa Pilipinas. So kindly just, I'm pleading na huwag kayong gumawa, do not do anything that will jeopardize the relation at maging masama ang tingin nila sa atin. Obey the laws, follow the procedure. Total, we are working on a sort of agreement na mabigyan kayo ng maluwang na you would be allowed to stay. Gusto lang nilang malaman, pati ako, stricto rin ako because gusto kong malaman kung ilan yung hindi Pilipino sa lugar ko. They come and out. There's a country there that maraming citizens and some of them are really into drugs. At alam nila na napapatay kasi nga sa droga. I've been talking to the ambassador. I'm pleading you just tell them that it's very dangerous here in the Philippines also. Baski saan droga, bitay talaga eh. That is why I refuse to intervene. Lalo na yung sa ibang country, sa China, yung OFW na yung, sabi ko ayaw ko. Kasi alam nila, stricto talaga ako sa droga. So kindly, do not do anything na makasama yung tingin nila sa atin. Maganda ang relasyon natin sa Russia. Maganda ang respeto nila sa atin. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, compared to the